Good afternoon, children. All of you open your EVS book, workbook. We will do a small revision of what we have learned already. Okay. Lesson number 7, places around us. Okay. See here some multiple choice questions are given. I will read them. Okay. First one, which of the following is a place to learn? All of you please pay attention. Which of the following is a place to learn? The options given there, you can see, all of you can see. The first option is school. The first option is school. The second option is shopping mall. Third option is airport. Fourth option is police station, isn't it? There are 4 options given to you. 4 options are given to you. First one is school. Second one is shopping mall. Third one is airport. Fourth one is police station. Children, which of the following is a place to learn? The right answer is school. Why? Because the other 3 options, shopping mall is a place where you go for shopping, isn't it? So that is not the right answer. And the third option, you can see airport. Airport is a place where you can see aeroplanes are landing, isn't it? So airport is also not the right answer. Next one is police station. This is also not the right answer, because there police station is a place where you can see all the people who have done something wrong are kept there. So police station is also not the right answer. So what will be the right answer? The right answer is school. So we will put a tick mark on school. We will put a tick mark on school. And children, alphabet A is the alphabet with the correct answer. So here you will write the alphabet A. Why will we write here alphabet A? Because A is the alphabet with the right answer. So here you will write alphabet A. Okay. Next one. Which of the following is a place of worship? Which of the following is a place of worship? The options given are restaurant, post office, church, and bank. Let us understand, children, what these options mean. First one, you can see restaurant. Right answer. Next is church. Church is a place of worship, isn't it? Church is a place of worship. So the right answer is C. So you will put a tick mark on the option C and you will write here C, because C is the alphabet with the correct answer. Have you understood why I have put here C? Because C is the alphabet with the correct answer. And church is a place of worship. So C is the right answer. D option, all of you see, D option is bank. Bank is a place where you go to deposit and withdraw money, isn't it? So bank is not the right answer. Post office is also not the right answer. Restaurant is also not the right answer. Only church is the right answer. Why? Because church is a place of worship. So we'll put a tick mark on church, and here we will write the alphabet C, because C is the alphabet with the correct answer. See now next, fill in the blanks. Places used by people are called dash places. Places used by people are called dash places. Children, the right answer is public. Places used by people are called as public places. What are some of the examples, children? Bus stop, isn't it? Bus stop, gardens, playground, they are used by many people at a time. So they are called as public places. So places used by people are called as public places. Next one, a hospital is a dash place. Next is a hospital is a dash place. A hospital is a place, children, where ill people are given medicines. So it is a place of service. What service we get there? Ill people are treated over there. Ill people get medicines over there. So who is giving their service? Doctors are giving us service. Nurses are giving us service. Isn't it? So hospital is a service place. So the right answer is service. What is the right answer? Right answer is service. What kind of service we are getting in a hospital? Ill people are being treated here, isn't it? So hospital is a place of service. So the right answer is service. See now, the next is very short answer. Give an example of a place where we can eat, play and have fun. I will read it again. Give an example of a place where we can eat, play and have fun. So the answer is shopping mall. Why, children? We also have fun in playgrounds, garden, but all these things, eating, playing and having fun is possible in a shopping mall. Nowadays, children, you can see so many shopping malls are there and all these shopping malls are having these facilities of eating, playing different games for children and having fun. So the right answer will be shopping mall. So in the blank, children, you will write the answer shopping mall. Okay. Next is name the service place in the picture. Name the service place in the picture. Children, what can you see in the picture? You can see that two trains are going, isn't it? You can see in the picture there are two trains. So what is the answer? The place, the service place in the picture will be railway station. Okay, because here we get the service of traveling. What is the service that we get? In a railway station, we see that trains are coming and going. So what service we are getting? We are getting the service of going to places, different places. So in this picture, you can see two trains are going. So the right answer will be railway station. Okay. Next one, short answers. Name any two types of places we find in our neighborhood. Name any two types of places we find in our neighborhood. Answer is hospital and temple. Answer given here is hospital and temple. Children, there are so many places in our neighborhood. For example, garden, place of worship. But you can write any two. So the right answer given here is hospital and temple. Next one, match the following. What are we supposed to do here, children? Here some pictures are given and some sentences are given. We have to match the pictures with the correct option. Okay? What can you see? Let's see in the pictures. The first picture is of a boy going for a walk with the pet dog. All of you can see a boy is going for a walk with his pet dog. The second picture, you can see the doctor is looking after a ill person, isn't it? And you can see a nurse is also there. So it looks like a hospital. So this is a hospital and the doctor is taking care of the patient, and you can also see a nurse standing next to the doctor. Third picture, you can see a policeman is catching hold of a thief. Okay. Fourth one, you can see a postman who is having some letters in his hand. So this is what all about the pictures that you can see on page number 30. So looking at the pictures, children, you have to match the correct option. Okay. See, the first picture matches with D. Why the first picture matches with D? Because see the sentence, a boy walking with the dog in the park. In the picture, you can see children, a boy is walking with a dog in a park. So the right answer is 8 answer will be D, because in the picture you can see the boy is walking with the dog in the park. So you will match 8th one with D. Next one, 9th one, you can see doctor, patient and the nurse. So what is the doctor doing here? The doctor is visiting the patient. So see the C sentence on doctor is visiting a patient. So this picture matches with this sentence. So we will match this picture with this sentence. Okay. Now see the third picture. The policeman is holding a thief. So see the A option, a police catching a thief. So this picture matches with the A option, children. So I will match this picture with A. Okay. Next one, a postman. You can see a postman is having some letters in his hand, and see the option here is a postman delivering a letter. So postman will match with this sentence because this sentence matches with this picture. A postman delivering a letter. Children, see now next one. What kind of places do we find in shopping malls? Write any two of them. What kind of places do we find in shopping malls? Children, shopping mall is a place where we go for shopping, for eating good food, for having fun, for playing games for our children. So there are so many reasons we go for a shopping mall. So what kind of places do we find in a shopping mall? So here the answer given is restaurant and play zone. There are many shopping malls in which you can also see movies, isn't it? But here the answer given here is restaurant and play zone. So what will be the right answer? Restaurant and play zone. Next question. Why do we go to place of worship? Why do we go to places of worship? We go to pray at the places of worship. What do we do in the places of worship, children? There are so many places of worship, children, according to different religions, isn't it? So why do we go there? We go to pray. So we go to pray at the places of worship. Next, multiple choice questions. Which is the right way of taking care of places around us? Which is the right way of taking care of places around us? The options given are spitting in public places, writing our names on the walls, putting garbage in the dustbin, not following public rules. What is the sentence given here, children? Which is the right way of taking care of public places around us? Children, the one way we can take care of places around is by not making the place dirty and by putting the garbage in the dustbin. So children, the B option matches with this, isn't it? Putting garbage in the dustbin is the right answer. Not following public rule is wrong. Writing our names on the walls is also a wrong option. Spitting in public places is also a bad habit which should not be done. Only B option matches. So B is the correct answer. So you will put a tick mark on the option B and you will write here B. Next one, how should we get into the bus at the bus stop? By pushing one another, by rushing into the bus, by fighting with others, by standing in a queue. Children, you can see all the first three options you can see are wrong habits. While we are getting into the bus, children, we should not push anyone because there are chances of someone being get hurt. So whenever you are getting in a bus or a train, you should stand in a queue so that nobody gets hurt. So the right answer is D. So you will put a tick mark on D and you will write in the bracket D. Why D? Because D is the alphabet with the correct answer. Okay. Next one, short answer questions. Pick the correct way to behave in school when a teacher is not in the class. Children, here two pictures are given. One picture, children are making the place very dirty and they are shouting and making noise. See the second picture, children are doing their work. There is so much cleanliness here. So second picture is right. Children, what we do sometimes, only when teacher is there in the classroom, we keep quiet and do our work. And when teachers go out of the classroom, we make noise, we shout, we fight with our friends, and we make the place dirty, isn't it? But that is wrong, children. So the right answer will be the B option is right, because this is the way you should be when the teacher is not in the classroom. So B is the right answer. So you will put a tick mark on B. All of you turn the page number 32. At school, Sana ate one banana and threw the peels of the window. Is this right or wrong? Why? Children, we have always learned that whatever garbage is there, you should always put in the dustbin. But children, here you can see one girl is eating banana and she is putting the peels out of the window. Is this right, children? No, this is not right. So the answer will be wrong. Peels should be put in the dustbin only. Peels or whatever rubbish it is, children, it should be put in the dustbin only, because we have to keep our place clean. So the answer will be wrong. Peels put in the dustbin. Next one, short answer questions. The picture below shows different stalls in a fair. Identify the different things in the stalls. Children, you can see here some options are given and some pictures are given. What are the pictures, children? These are the different pictures of the things that you can see in a fair. Children, have you been to a fair sometimes? What shops can you see there, children? You can see the shops of toys, of eatable items, isn't it? Of household articles, clothes, isn't it? So there are so many things you can see in a fair. So you can write here A. A is what can you see in the A option, A picture? You can see a candy shop. You can see a candy shop. So we will write A, candy shop. B, you can see different types of toys are there. So B is a toy shop. Third one is clothes shop. Different types of dresses are there in the C option. So here you will write C and clothes shop. Fourth one is a sweet shop. You can see different eatable items are there. So D, here you will write sweets shop. Different sweet items you can see in the option D. So you will write D, sweets shop. Children, I will revise the hard words now. All of you please pay attention where you have to write the hard words. That words I will read. You keep your fingers on the hard words so that you will understand how to say the hard words and you will also learn the spellings. Okay? See the first page number 28. Which of the following is a place to learn? Options are school, shopping mall, airport, and police station. Right answer is school. So what is the spelling of school? Spelling of school is SCHOOL, school. What is the correct spelling? SCHOOL, school. Second answer is church. What is the correct spelling? Church spelling is C-H-U-R-C-H, church. C-H-U-R-C-H, church. Next is fill in the blanks. Places used by people are called as public places. Places used by people are called as public places. What is the spelling, children? P-U-B-L-I-C, public. P-U-B-L-I-C, public. A hospital is a service place. What is the spelling of service? S-E-R-V-I-C-E, service. S-E-R-V-I-C-E, service. Give one example of a place where we can eat, play and have fun. Answer is shopping mall. Spelling is S-H-O-P-P-I-N-G, shopping. M-A-L-L, mall. S-H-O-P-P-I-N-G, shopping. M-A-L-L, mall. Next is railway station. R-A-I-L-W-A-Y, railway. R-A-I-L-W-A-Y, railway station. S-T-A-T-I-O-N, station. Next is name two types of places we find in our neighborhood. Answer is hospital and temple. H-O-S-P-I-T-A-L, hospital. H-O-S-P-I-T-A-L, hospital. Temple, T-E-M-P-L-E, temple. T-E-M-P-L-E, temple. See, next is match the following. Here you can see all the words are already given there. You just have to match it. So I am not reading the spellings. Down you can see two words are there, restaurant and play zone. I will read the spellings. R-E-S-T-A-U-R-A-N-T, restaurant. R-E-S-T-A-U-R-A-N-T, restaurant. Play zone. P-L-A-Y, play. Z-O-N-E, zone. P-L-A-Y, play. Z-O-N-E, zone. Next hard word in this sentence is worship. W-O-R-S-H-I-P, worship. W-O-R-S-H-I-P, worship. Then peels. What is the spelling of peels? P-E-E-L-S, peels. P-E-E-L-S, peels. Then dustbin. D-U-S-T, dust. B-I-N, bin, dustbin. D-U-S-T, dust. B-I-N, bin, dustbin. Then candy shop. C-A-N-D-Y, candy. S-H-O-P, shop. C-A-N-D-Y, candy. S-H-O-P, shop, candy shop. Next is toy shop. T-O-Y-S, toys. S-H-O-P, shop. T-O-Y-S, toys. S-H-O-P, shop. Clothes shop. C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes. S-H-O-P, shop. C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes. S-H-O-P, shop. Last is sweet shop. S-W-E-E-T, sweets. S-H-O-P, shop. S-W-E-E-T-S, sweets. S-H-O-P, shop. Sweets shop. So children, what we have done today? Today we have revised lesson number 7. So all of you will revise the same lesson at home. You will also learn the different spellings that we have read just now. Okay children, now it is time that we get back to our chat box. There is 1 minute left. All of you get back to your chat box. Children, with this, we finish revision of lesson number 7, places around us. All of you revise the lesson nicely. Learn the different words that we have read today. Okay, that's all for today. We'll meet tomorrow and revise the next lesson. Thank you. Take care of yourself, children. Bye.